Now our item we're going to shoot is sparklers. Sparklers have been around for many, many years. Of course, they come in many different sizes, many different shapes. The one item that we strongly suggest are the wooden bamboo handled sparklers. Unlike the sparklers that have the metal wires, we really do not like those because when kids play with these, no matter how many times you tell them to, take the wire and throw it away, they end up in your yard. Therefore, your lawnmower can pick those up or, any other thing in the yard and could cause hazard to you at a little bit later date. The wooden sparkler has a pink stick on it. Understand all sparklers are extremely hot. As all fireworks, we must use adult supervision with these simply because you can get hurt. And this is one of the items that a lot of people don't understand. They have smaller kids and they think that the sparkler is very safe. And it is, as long as the child does not touch the flame. Because you're talking about a flame that could be anywhere from 800 to 1200 degrees, and that could cause serious burn. So what we do on these is we simply take our lighter stick, light our sparkler. Now these, if you hold it away from your body again at an arm's length, do not throw them at someone when you're playing with them. Do not sling them around excessively. You can move them around like this. They're a lot of fun. But again, keep them away from your body. Sparklers is a great tradition for 4th of July and New Year's. Probably one of the most highest selling items on the market. And again, they are dangerous if you don't know how to handle them. So make sure you watch those kids, and you adults, you need to kind of watch yourselves when playing with them also.